This is a fun video about a nice geohashing challenge. Geohashing is a game, a social urban game where people hide messages, little gifts, money, sweeties or treats, cookies or some fun jokes in places, in nature or in urban environments. Well, somebody has hidden a geohashing surprise on top of a fallen tree that's in the river. This one unexpected geohashing challenge. So on top of this tree, somewhere there, it's a little metal box with a hidden SD card or little paper. Unfortunately, it's not easy to reach. It requires climbing and a potential fail or fall into the water. So if you are the one who made this nice geohashing challenge, that's a very interesting way to protect little messages. Well, that's basically it. A fun geohashing challenge. Thank you for supporting the Creative Commons movement. Have fun.